Welcome to Lyra Tech, where we break down the latest gear for your home. Today, we are looking at the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker, a countertop machine promising endless chewable ice. We will dive into its features, performance, and overall value. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's examine the core performance and everyday convenience of the EUHOMY Nugget. This ice maker produces its soft, chewable nugget ice quickly, with the first batch ready in just 7 to 10. With a robust daily production capacity of up to 44 pounds, this machine can keep up with even the most. The unit features simple one-touch controls for making ice and illuminating the chamber, making it very user-friendly and easy. A significant convenience is the automatic 20-minute self-cleaning cycle, which simplifies maintenance and ensures the ice maker remains hygienic without. Overall, the EUHOMY excels in its core function, delivering fast, ample nugget ice, and it's integrated. Next, we will look at the physical aspects, overall value, and how complete. Its compact dimensions of 13.9 by 9.85 by 14. The design appears to be a functional, standard countertop appliance, and the mention of a protective film suggests a decent. At $249.99, it offers good value for those specifically seeking high-quality, chewable nugget ice and appreciates the convenience of self-cleaning. The provided product facts clearly detail the dimensions, ice production capacity, and key features, offering a good understanding of what. Overall, the EUHOMY Ice Maker is a well-defined product with a compact form factor, and its pricing reflects the dedicated functionality and premium ice experience it provides for users. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker delivers on its promise of soft, chewable pellet ice with impressive speed and production volume. Its standout self-cleaning function makes daily maintenance straightforward and worry-free, which is a significant plus.